Hi friends, most of us get disappointed when our expectations are not met. We thought someone would do something, and if they didn't come through, and naturally we become disappointed. But if we are going through to be successful, the important thing is not to expect anything from anyone that you are not willing to do for yourself. Before, let me tell you some points you must let go if you are going to succeed without any expectations. Before that, kindly subscribe my channel and get energy boosters for your mind and soul. The first one is do not expect people to agree every time to whatever you speak. If you are type of the person who wants people to agree with everything you say every time you speak, be ready to experience a lot of disappointment. Many people have their own thoughts and opinion and expecting them to consistently agree with your unrealistic words. Do what you can. Whatever it is, accept. The second point is do not expect others to acknowledge you when you betrayed yourself. You can't expect others to treat you as worthy when you don't treat yourself that way. We all make mistakes, we all have struggles, and we all have regrets. But you're not the mistake, you're not the struggles. You're here now with the power and the determination to shape your life. Acknowledge yourself. The third important point to stop expecting is don't expect others to respect you when you don't respect yourself. Respect starts from within. So, if you wish to be respected, you have to do what it takes to respect yourself, that is, living in the way that demonstrates the self respect. Your treatment of yourself set the standards for how others will treat you. The next one is don't expect others to tell you what to do when you have no idea what you want. Means what? Just listen. If you are going to live an authentic life and follow your own inner compass, you can't expect someone else to tell you what you want. The desire and the passion must first come from you. You have to let go of passivity and back up your own ideas so that you can figure out what you want and why you want. Nobody else can do that work for you. The next point is don't expect others to stay when they are ready to go. Some people will come into your life, stay, but many more will come and go. And you have to know how to let go of those who no longer wants to be there. It's the ones who stay, the ones who stand beside you in good times as well as the bad times, who are the most important people in your life. Often, the happy ending is simply letting the people who partially stays in your life, let them go. The next point is don't expect others to know what you are thinking when you know yourself. You can't expect anyone else to understand what you are thinking if you can't articulate your thoughts. Understanding our own thoughts is more important than seeking the opinion of others. Start by being honest with yourself about what you think, what you feel, and what you want. Then you can start communicating that to others. First, try to know yourself. The next point is don't expect others to fix things when you can't find solution for yourself. It's okay not to know how to fix something. What's not okay is blaming others for being unable to fix it. When you blame others, you don't give yourself room to build your own abilities. When you expect them to fix things, you are handing over your power to others. The next one is don't expect others to make you a priority when you haven't made yourself important. If you don't value yourself and stick up for yourself, you're not only severely accepting yourself but also sending a message that you're not worth the trouble even to handle yourself. Treat yourself as though you matter and others will follow you. The last one is don't expect others to forgive you when you don't forgive yourself. If you are busy waiting for others to forgive you but you haven't yet forgiven yourself, learn to forgive yourself. Two wonderful things will happen. Others will learn to forgive you and you will learn to forgive others. See, in this world, if we want to succeed ourselves, we should stop expecting things from others. We should be confident we should be confident about our own individual. Only we are the one who can lift our life by ourselves. So stop expectation. Be happy with what you have and what you possess. Let you take the decision by yourself. Let you be the master of your mind, body and soul, and lead a very happy life. Wishing